Hi guys, okay, so in this video I am going to be showing you how I do my winged eyeliner. This is video number 2 for my makeup 101. Next I'll be showing you guys how to apply lashes, but I wanted to show you guys a liner. Let me know if you would like to see a gel liner tutorial as well, but I just did it with eyeshadow because I feel like a lot of people will be the same technique of work if you're not wearing eyeshadow or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just be showing you how I do my wing liner using gel liner. Super quick, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope these videos are helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to check other videos down below. Don't forget to click on that icon and check out the first video where I show you just like a basic eyeshadow tutorial and my favorite brushes that I believe are beginner friendly. I love you guys and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, okay, so I have a separate video of the eyes if you're wondering, oh my god, are you gonna do a tutorial for the eyes? Yes, I am, but I wanted to take a break from that part because I never show this part and I knew that I wanted to do a tutorial on eyeliner. So yeah, so I just zoomed in some more so that you guys can see. So yeah, this is how my eyes are looking right now. So now I'm just gonna go in with the eyeliner portion so that, yeah. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using is by the Balm. It is my favorite eyeliner. It's super black. It's just, I don't know, like I just like it. So I'm going to be using a liquid liner. Now you can do the same technique with a gel liner or whatever. I'm just using liquid because I prefer liquid. Especially if you are using like glitter and stuff, liquid works best. Certain eye looks, like if my eyes were matte, I do kind of like using, what is it called? Gel liner. But since my eyes have glitter on it, I just feel like liquid applies better with glitter. So this is the eyeliner that I'm going to be using. Excuse my nails, I'm going to get them done tomorrow. But yeah. So yeah, that is the eyeliner that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to start off with just taking the liner. You want to make sure that your liner has its point. You want to make sure that you have all the excess off and it's at the like sharpest point that you can get it. It just helps. So I'm going to start off in the middle of my eye. I'm going to look down and as close to my lash line as possible. I'm going to make small strokes and begin to create a line like so. So I'm going to do it all the way to the end like that. So it's not all the way, of course it's not all the way to the, you know, to the end of the eye. So now this is when I'm going to go towards the end of the eye. I'm just dipping it back into the bottom. And then I'm going to go and connect the two. Like so. So now you have just the straight line that's going across the eye. So now this is when you get to the wing portion. So you want to go to the edge of your eye that's right here. You want to go to the end of your eye. And you want to go on like an angle. Like as you can see, like my brush is at an angle. You don't want to go down. You don't want it to go up like this. You want it to go bam. Kind of like when you are doing your eyebrows and they tell you not to do like the dun, 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 like that. So you can kind of follow that guideline as well. So now I'm going to go and create a line. Now, however long your line is, that's how like long your wing will be. So if you want a shorter wing, you stop short, you stop before longer. Make sense? Yeah. So now I'm going to start off like a little bit before like the end of the wing. And I'm going to drag it to meet it down here. So you want to drag it also on an angle, not across, on an angle down to meet the other portion of the line that you drew straight across. And it should meet perfectly, like so. It doesn't really need a lot of cleaning. I usually have to clean up my other side because that's not my dominant side, you know. But concealer definitely helps allowing you to have that sharp edge. So my liner and the length of it solely depends on the look. Now if it's something a little bit more, if I want something a little bit more wearable, then my wing will not be this long, but the technique is still the same. Like, it's literally still the same. I don't like using tape a lot just because I feel like I never put the tape on the correct way. And sometimes with tape, it just, I don't know, it just kind of messes up sometimes. So you don't want to go back into it like too much and try to say like, hey, let me fix it. Like, so right here, it's just like a little gap. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit and fix it. But that's a big mistake that a lot of people have. Like, sometimes your liner is just not going to be A1 perfect, but you want to just get it as, you know, as perfect as possible. But when you continue to go in, like now, like I'm doing, you risk having to make your liner thicker than what you actually wanted, you know. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this eye. So I'm going to take my thing, dip it in there. As you can see, this isn't like the best point. You see that? It's too much product on there. So I'm just going to like go on the sides so that it comes to like a super thin point. I'm going to take it and I'm going to show you guys how to do it starting off with the wing first. So you can also go ahead like so, draw your line out, then come in, bam, fill it in, and then you can go ahead and start doing like the rest of your line. So now I'm going to look down, and as I can see, like it's not all the way like a straight line like how I want it. So I'm just going to go in and kind of straighten it out. Like so. So once again, I actually did good on this, and honestly I think it's because I'm on camera and I'm trying to do it for you guys, because normally I would have to really conceal this, but I don't need a lot. I'm just going to show you guys, just kind of follow the guideline and drag it up. It's going to be covered. I like to do this. This is why I like to do my eyes before my foundation, because it's going to be covered once I put my foundation on. And then I'll just take a brush and really blend it out so that I don't have super harsh like concealer, you know, trying to peek through. But this is where I would highlight anyway, so yeah. And as you can see, like this one, I feel like it's a little thicker than this one. So you can go in and just like thin it out if you want to with your concealer. I'm honestly not about to worry about it.